Hello everyone, I'm AislingRose from the AislingRose YouTube channel, and today I am going to be showing you how to create this beautiful glam makeup look, perfect and beautiful for any event that you're going to. So let's get started, but before I do, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell. And if you do enjoy this video at any point, please do give us a big old thumbs up, as well as commenting down below what type of tutorials you'd like us to do in the future, and we will definitely be going through your comments and reading all of them. So without further ado, let's go right on to the video. So first I'm going to be starting off with the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. I'm going to be using the palette Bling Boss, and I'm going to use the color from the palette called Hush Hush, which is a really light muted purple color, and I'm going to be putting this into my crease using a fluffy brush. Now that we've got that really light transition color in, I'm going to be using the color Rockstar from the same palette. I'm going to be putting that into my crease as well as my outer V. I'm just gradually going to be building it up darker and darker until I get the desired darkness that I want. And then just to smoken up this look a little bit more, I'm going to be taking the exact same brush and using the color Mystic from the same palette just on the outer V and on my bottom lash line. Now taking the Naked Cosmetics Mica Pigment, I'm going to be using the color Sierra Nevada, and I'm going to be spraying my brush with a little bit of Fix Spray just so that it really makes this pigment go on so shiny, so sparkly. And we're going to be putting that on our lid and in the inner corner and on the inner corner of our bottom lash line. Now switching over to the palette Armed and Gorgeous, I'm going to be using the color VIP and a small brush. I'm going to be putting that in my inner corner and on my brow bone. Now I'm going to apply some false lashes and mascara. And last but certainly not least, I'm going to be using the Twisted Kisses matte lip pencil in the color Kiss Me Twice. I'm going to be applying that just to bring this whole look together. So this is the end look. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did, please do give us a like, and do not forget to subscribe. As I mentioned earlier, it would really help our channel. As well, if you like my content on this channel, then go check out my socials down below if you want to go follow it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!